Hello guys, welcome to our new video tutorial series of operating system, and in this video I will explain about process states in Linux. In last video I had explained about the process states in Windows, and in Linux it's almost the same till the uh, waiting queue, and then after that it will have two separate things. So now start with the various process states in Linux. First of all, we have new state, the process is being created and the operating system is setting up the necessary sources for it. Then we have the ready state, the process is prepared to run and is waiting for CPU time. It has everything it needs, but it's waiting, it's done. Then we have running state, the process is currently being executed by the CPU. Then we have waiting state, it seems like till the waiting state, but in waiting state it has two different types of interruptible and uninterruptible states. The process is waiting for some event to occur. This states is divided into two substates. Interruptible, the process can be interrupted by a signal, for example waiting for a key press. When you press something from in a 1 2, it will interrupt. Or uninterruptible, the process cannot be interrupted, for example waiting for hardware conditions, so it cannot be interruptible. Then we have the stop state, the process has been stopped usually by a signal or user command, it can restart it later. Then we have a zombie state, the last state, the process has finished executing but still has entry in the process table to report its status to its parent process. So, explaining the transition between these states and the conditions that trigger these transitions. So, new to ready states. First of all, after the operating system set up the process, it moves to the ready states, waiting for the CPU time, just like just like in Windows. When you open, it will store in secondary memory, and you open some browser. Then the Windows operating system moved to the RAM, and then they created a new process structure ready for the process control block, program ID, program counter, process state, and create a queue which will deal with the all the processes. So it's same like in Ubuntu as well. So that's why I did not add those pictures again and again. It will be repeatedly. So the process is currently being executed by the CPU. Then the process is waiting for some. Uh, okay, so when we have running to waiting, it proceed need to be external event like input output operations, like a waiting state. It can be either interruptible or interruptible depending on the nature of the event. So waiting for ready. So once the event process as waiting for occurs, it will be output completes. It moves back to the ready state, just like uh, just like this. So once the uh, process created, it will be ready. Then if there is interrupted, it will be again wait for some high priority processes, and then it will again go to the running state. But if we have two one more, like okay, so then we have ready to run. In this video I will explain in this image. So we have a running state, we have interruptible state, which can be wake up and then go to the stopped. If six stop key signal generated, it will go to the stop state, and if sick count, it will again go to the running state. I will more explain about the six stop and sick count in my next video, which is more briefly about all these signals. So, and we have the uninterruptibles, which is basically for hardware, some hardware conditions, so you cannot interrupt that processes. So it will automatically wake up and running again and go to the exits in zombie state. So It seems like Windows till the waiting state, and then we have two different types of interrupts, like running to stop the process moves to stop state if the receive a stop signal from a user from another process. Like if there's a process and we want to stop that process, we have that state. Then we have the ready state, which we work from stop to ready. And we have the running zombie. When a process finishes task, it moves to the zombie state to report its exit status to its parent process. So this is the transition between the Linux based operating system and how its process work. The main difference till the running is, after running state we have these states. We can go to the uninterruptible and interruptible, and then it will go to the stop and zombie. In Windows, after running, it will again go to the ready queue, and until it finish it will just go to the exit state and the process is terminated and deleted. But not like in Linux, it will go to the running state, and then you can also stop that process with the signal sig stop, and again you can still run that process with the sig count. And after executed the process not deleted permanently like in Windows, it will go to the zombie state. So these four states are different in Linux, and I will explain about the signal stop, sig count, and all the signals in use in Linux in my next video. So stay tuned with us, and hope you like my video. Please share, subscribe, and like for more informative videos on print system. Thank you.